Hi, so I'm Amanda. I'm one of the child passenger safety technicians with CLEC, and I'm here. We're going to get your seat all fixed up today.
My friend actually is the owner and founder of CLEC, her and her husband, and she noticed my baby seat was installed incorrectly on my Instagram story.
We are going to actually switch it rear facing for this little one because it is recommended to rear face as long as you can. The recommendation is minimum of 2 years, but you really want to keep them rear facing as long as you can for spinal development. Right now, the lower anchor belt is actually going through the rear-facing belt path. So when it's rear-facing, we would definitely have the belt through here and it'd be going to the anchors. But whenever they're forward-facing, you want to go through the belt path that's going to be behind their back. So just like the seat belt is routed through, if you were installing with lower anchors, now this seat has a different style of forward-facing anchors, but you'd always want to be using behind their back and not the belt path that's underneath their legs.
Okay.
Another thing that I'm noticing is your seat doesn't currently have the top tether installed, which is actually a legal requirement in Canada. With the Foonf, we have both a rear-facing wedge that helps us achieve the proper angle, as well as the anti-rebound bar, which provides support for the child in collisions. It limits the back and forth movement of the seat. So the next thing we're going to do is get the anti-rebound bar on. And then we have our locking pins that will keep it in place. The crotch buckle is still on its shorter length, and while this works well for smaller little ones, as they get bigger, you do want to get that little bit extra room. It helps with buckling them. One of the other things we want to be very careful of is what we're using with our seat. So you do have the vehicle seat protector here. We actually do have a mat.
I see it here and it makes total sense, way more sense.
It's also one that's been tested with our seats, so we've put it through crash tests, so we can guarantee that it's going to function the way it's meant to in a collision. What I will usually do is hold it sideways in the beginning because I'm going to want to do attach that lower anchor on the far side. Where they are is just going to depend on your own vehicle. So your two captain's chairs or your two side chairs have them. Depending on the vehicle, they may have a third set and things like that. So it will push in and you'll hear the click when it attaches to that lower anchor there.